So we are in Holiday Island in Arkansas. This is a part of the Table Rock Lake, and this is a unique bridge. It's very interesting because it's one lane bridge. So if a car comes on one side, the other cars on the other side have to stop and let them pass, because there is only one lane bridge. So the other side has to wait for this vehicle to pass the one lane bridge. Clearance 11 feet and 6 inches only. Arkansas Table Rock Lake. And another car is coming now for this bridge. So I think he might wait for the other car to go. He should slow down there. Ouch. That's funny. So I guess nobody's coming from the other side. But there is another car coming. They waited for the other ones to pass by, because there is again one lane only. It's so unique, this thing.